Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Mandatory is boosted. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and hit that like. Today I'm going to give you guys an update of everything, and believe it or not, we got the motor in. It's kind of a pain, but it isn't. Let me show you here. And oh yeah, hood closes. Shabam. Boom. Look at that. That even with the turbo on, as big as that thing is, it's still closed. No issue whatsoever. Only down is our intake did not work, so we're going with a whole nother setup. That kind of sucks, but oh well. Not enough space here, and I will be deleting the ABS. Probably put my catch can here, and we're gonna go with some Stop Tech brake kit for the front and rear, so that should give us enough stopping power. Nonetheless, really expensive brake kit if you ask me, but that's what we're gonna go with. And you know, like I said, one thing that surprised me is the turbo and the hood. It actually closes with no issue. It's like zero issue whatsoever. Not hitting anything. Damn. So yeah, maybe like a heat shield right here, because that's probably gonna burn. But putting this in wasn't too hard. I had an issue with the mount on this side. I had it bolted on a little forward more, so it wouldn't line up whatsoever, so I had to push it back. And yeah, now it sits in there perfectly, and the motor sits in well. I have everything bolted down, as you can tell. Nothing moves. I'm moving with the camera, but yeah, it does not move side to side or anything. It's all good. I have the W58 bolted in as well, or bolted down, as you can tell. It's right there, all good to go, lined up perfectly where I need it. So all we need is some fluid in here, but clearly I need to install my drive shaft first. And don't worry about the interior. We're gonna take care of all of this next, this coming week, this whole month basically. This new month is gonna be the Supra. We're gonna work on the Supra a lot. I'm gonna take care of this, the rust situations next. So, and then we're gonna start sanding down the car itself, get it ready, you know, get a nice repaint. I'm gonna repaint it the same color, red. I'm not gonna change. I like red. And my next video, hopefully today, you guys will see, I got the rear visor, really nice. So stay tuned for that. Comes with hardware. So I'm gonna do a little install on that. If you guys want to check it out, that should be next, hopefully today. And but yeah, I'm really happy I got the motor in. I'm just waiting for an intercooler, and as you guys can tell, I didn't really damage this part too much. If you own the Supra and you do some swaps or pull the engine out, put the engine in, we tend to ding this a lot. So that was, I'm happy about that. I had to be real careful. And yeah, so that's kind of like the update. This is where we're at right now. I do need to take this off, and before I like tighten everything down here, just do some adjustment here. But everything's on. Our downpipe is there, and as you can tell, it's really close to our brake line, but you can still work around this. I still need to get the pipes maybe like cut right around there, and then extend it for a straight pipe. See what we can do. But like you guys know, this is a V-band, so everything has a little play with it, as you can tell. See? So yeah, I just got to do a little couple adjusting our lines, and I'm missing the little pulleys for here, but I do have our power steering pump and our alternators. It's in the garage, so we got all of that figured out. I'm gonna be having to repaint this. Thank God I didn't repaint this before installing the motor, because as you can tell, I got some scratches, major scratches there with the chain and just all around. So if anything, this isn't really bolted down either, so that's good. I gotta go ahead and kind of figure that out. I'm gonna respray it, but I'm thinking, what do you guys think? The red fit, or should I paint it black? Because I'm thinking like black would kind of make it, I don't know, look nice. Just like the lower intake here looks nice with the red. But let me know what you guys think, if that's if I should respray red, so the red would kind of turn out as glossy as the paint, and I actually have to go through, clean everything again, and touch this up, do a couple touch up here and there. And we got our battery we need to figure out, because I have some cut wires here, and our negative wire is also cut, so I gotta take care of all of this. Most likely put the battery in the back of the Supra, but if anything, I got our power steering line will, you know, kind of go right here, and then our clutch line, so here go all the way down there, all ready to go, so it just sits right there when I'm ready to bolt it on. But yeah, that was just the update I wanted to give you guys on the Supra. The motor is in, and it looks good, and I'm happy about that. So that turbo, shoo boy. Yeah, so if you guys like the little short update, make sure you hit that like. And yeah, like I said, the rear visor, I'm gonna install that hopefully today or tomorrow. So after this video, you guys might see that on the next video. So check it out. I'll kind of let you guys know where I got it from, and it makes the Supra looks real nice, in my opinion. Like that view right there. Yeah, not too bad if you ask me. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna install that, and Supra is getting there. We are kind of slowly getting there. Just a couple little things need to be attached, couple little things need to be hooked up, and of course our brake situation is to get taken care of. Our suspension and our wheels, and it's off to another shop to get our harness extended. We're gonna go standalone, definitely, and yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys, and hopefully all goes well, motor starts up and runs good. If not, looks like we'll be pulling it back out and like rebuilding it, I guess. But nonetheless, this is going to be a fun build, and we're almost there. So thank you guys for, you know, staying tuned and checking out the videos and giving it a like. You guys are the best. Take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Sheesh.